YouTube, it's your boy Zamba. Welcome back to another banger. So in today's video, we are going to be flipping the last account, the very last giveaway challenge, the $50. So this time I'll be trading using the Heikin Ashi candlestick, not your regular candlestick. So if you're new to this channel, do where to like, comment, and subscribe. And for those of you that have already subscribed, I love you guys. I'm so happy you guys are here, and also you join the family using the link on my video description. And let's get right into it. So first thing, what do we see? We see a weak rejection. Very good. Now this is already the basic your basic price action. It's actually the it has actually given us everything in a simple term, right? So those levels that I mark are actually key levels, okay? And if you look at those levels, they were momentum levels. Now you see, before the levels came, they were fake outs, right? So look at those candlesticks before the big move happened. Okay, so this is on gold on the 15 minutes time frame, so it also appears on the lower time frame. But remember, trading the lower time frame is just like going in and out very fast. So this time we want to hold a little bit and make as much as we can. So I'll be buying. I've already seen my confirmation, so I'm going to buy, and I'll be risking the entire account basically, but I'm not going full margin. Okay, I'm risking the entire account but without going full margin. So it's a different risk management technique. So it's actually my calculated risk management technique. So let's wait and see, guys.
Bro, let's get straight to it.
Okay, so after everything, we got this $100. It's cool, it's okay. You know, this is gold, so we're not going to be scrapping we're not going to be scrapping too much.
A few minutes later.
So I spot is setup. Okay, I spot is sell setup. Remember, we took a buy, right? We entered our buy and then we exited the buy trade. So this time around we are entering a sell trade. Okay, so hope you are following, right? We are still trading gold. Okay, I just want to make as much money first from gold because I already see a setup. So this is actually what I'm talking about. So the market head to that location, right? It smashes our TP, and now we are trying to sell from that TP level back to the entry where we entered before, like approximately where we entered before. It's just like, okay, after the weak rejection, then we are selling back to a buy level. Okay, so I'll be risking close to 70% of this account. That's what I would do, close to 70%. Okay, don't get it twisted. 70% will be approximately $70 to $75 based on the amount I have now. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let's just see how it goes.
A few minutes later.
All right, so after some minutes or hours, I'm just kidding, after some minutes we were able to get a good amount for a start. Now in this way we have more leverage in terms of account balance, so we can enter more position and we can also do a lot of things. Now there's a setup I spot. It's actually something that made the entire trade interesting for us. So which means gold is actually going to go a long way for the sell, but I'm not going to hold to that level because it will be a swing zone. Okay, it will be a swing level. So if you look at the daily time frame right there was a fake out. Gold has been moving in a very strong way to the upside, and now gold has actually give us a time for us to sell. Okay, so it's going to sell hard. Gold is going to sell hard. So this is what I want to really show you guys. It's a very key note. So for those of you in the VIP, you know what we do.
Relax.
All right, so as you guys can see, what I said was exactly what happened after some time. I didn't bother to trade. I didn't bother to trade at all. I'm waiting for other setups. So guess what? This was where we started from. We did our analysis all the way from here. So I just kept, remember, I love keeping my chart very, very clean. So I don't like putting too much, but I left this there because I made an analysis earlier regarding the sell that is coming, right? And gold actually sold. So when we took our trade, let me zoom in a little bit. So we entered from there, a buy trade, and then we closed around there, and we also took a sell, right? And look at where the market is currently. So this is the sell we are actually talking about, that gold will sell hard. And if you look at, this is the M30 time frame, which means there is still more room for us to sell. So that's exactly the point of this right now. I want to engage, I want to join the entire sell trend. So looking at the basic price action, we're going to see that we have a zone that the market has given us initially, right, which is the rising wedge, right? So the rising wedge is a bearish bias, all right, and the market has already broken. Now don't get it twisted, the market has already broken. So even me that was waiting for a setup, I was actually looking at other pairs, and now gold has actually gave us a setup, but I'm entering late on this. So I would just take the trade, and regardless, remember, the risk is something you need to always put in mind. So if there is retracement, if there's no retracement, regardless of what happens, I'm safe, right? So we're having $500 right now. So how can we manage this effectively? That is the key. How can we manage it? We are not talking about being right or wrong. How can we manage this effectively? So right now I will be risking $200 for this trade. That is that's too much, right? But the reason is because of the late entry. Okay, it's because of the late entry. Take note.
You know what? All right. Maybe they said cringy so that like it's probably like fucking PT scary. Let's click on it.
All right, it's a sniper, right? Good. Now we are not done yet. I know it's already on a good level, but there is still one more thing I need to touch. The particular pair that I wanted to trade before I checked on the gold setup. Okay, so we'll trade that pair and see how much we can make from that pair, and then that will be the end of it. So what do you think the pair is? USD Chef. Now I've never traded USD Chef on this channel before, so we are gonna trade the pair. Now right here, this is actually the magical line of actually the magic line in this case, because right now any time you see red on my chart is actually a dangerous tool that I'm using at that very moment. It's a simple tool, it's a horizontal line, but right there's a fake out, which already from that zone has given us a fake out. This is a straight buy. No need to explain, no need to talk too much. This is a straight buy. So this is actually where I will put my TP. And USD Chef is actually a calm pair. It's very calm, and when I mean calm, I mean for your account balance, okay? But for the spikes, there are a lot of spikes, but it's calm for your account balance. So that's why I chose the pair in my watch list to monitor and check and see if I should trade the pair or not. But right now there is a very good setup that I've been waiting for. You see that this is not a late entry. If you look at it correctly, it's not a late entry. Why? Because I entered after the fake out, and of course the candlestick, there must be candlestick, right? A candlestick must be produced to confirm that I should buy or not. So this is not a late entry. All right, so this is actually the sad note. Okay, the market actually hit my TP and came back to a lower level. I won't say back, it's not back to my entry, it's actually back to a lower level, which is very bad. Very, very, very bad. We took a drawdown of over $600, but it was good because the drawdown, that was what I was expecting. Okay, and because of the spike, remember I made mention of the spike, right? So the spike was actually, it wasn't up to that amount, it was around 510, 515, because of the spike it would just dip and then we trace back to your normal profit range. So that was exactly the drawdown we were having. So $400 wasn't that bad, but I just left it there because it's not easy though. I know it's gonna be a buy. It's obvious from the news, from everything. It's obvious it's a buy, so I have to leave it. I would have closed the trade and take the loss and then record and show you guys, but nah. So anyways, the market gave us this profit, so I was hoping it would give us $2,000 as total balance, but I guess it has. So final moment, guys. So this is the last giveaway challenge for $50. So more giveaways coming soon, more challenge coming soon. Do it to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. If you want to reach out to me, use the link on my video description. Stay safe. Peace.
Custom on the beat.